We have all heard of this at one point or another, passive income, which requires little to no work to maintain, and all you'll be doing is collecting dough, the bread, or cheese, however you want to call it. But if cheese is really that good, why aren't more and more people making them?
Because we're lactose intolerant.
Well, take lactate. Bad joke? Yeah. The reason why not a lot of people are earning passive income is because either one, it takes a lot of your time up front, or two, it takes money to make money, or three, it takes both. And when you're starting, the returns probably won't be looking that great. You might have invested hundreds of hours of your time on something, and then 6 months later, you only make a couple of bucks. Or that you invested $100 and only see a 1% return on your money. Yeah, that's why not a lot of people are doing it. They sometimes don't see the return in it and they lose interest in it. But if you do have the desire and motivation to keep at it, then you'll start earning some cold hard cash while you sleep. And then that one day you can retire early. So here's 11 ways to earn passive income. By the way, I'm not sponsored by anyone here. It's just to help you see other potential possibilities. Number 1, invest in dividend stocks. These are high yielding dividend stocks that can give you a 10% return, but those are the risky type. And at the end of the year, that 10% might not hold true after a year or two. What you want to look for are the safe and reliable stocks. And these safe and reliable stocks are called Dividend Aristocrats. These stocks are considered dividend aristocrats because they have increased their dividend annually for at least 25 years. If you simply go on Google and type in Dividend Aristocrats list dividend yield, you'll find a page that will show you a list of stocks with their rates. Hey, it's not bad to get a 5% return for not doing much, right? Plus, you'll have the potential to even earn more with capital gains. Now that's passive income. Number 2, start a vending machine business. This will require some time and money. You can start off by going to eBay and type in vending machines on the search bar, and from there you can find one that you want to go with. You can either do the big bulky soda machines or the simple toy or candy one for something that's more affordable. The hard part of this business is finding a location to put it in. You'll have to talk to multiple business owners to get your machine placed, but once that's done, all you have to do is sit back, relax, and hope that location gets a lot of traffic to get some sales. It's low maintenance, and you'll probably have to check your machine and restock probably once a week depending on how things go. Number 3, invest in real estate investment trusts or REITs. Maybe you want to invest in real estate, but you never really had the funds or heard that it requires a lot of time to do. So a more passive approach will be REITs. They are traded on major stock exchanges and are like a mutual fund holding different types of real estate projects that are managed by professionals. So you don't have to get involved, and they typically pay higher than dividends compared to normal stocks. So at least you can beat inflation. Plus, it's more liquid than actually owning a property without all the stress. Number 4, rent out your stuff. If you have a house, rent out your house or that bedroom. If you have a car, rent that out as well. Or if you have tools, equipment, or even suits, rent that out. This will require your time to set up and manage, but other than that, you can just collect the money once it's rented out. Plus, I'm assuming that these are the things that you're not using and it's just there, and it could be a potential moneymaker. Number 5, sell your photos. If you like photography, videography, or illustration in general, this might be ideal for you. Sites like Shutterstock and ISTOCKPHOTO will help you make some money. The more content you put out, the more money you can potentially earn. So get paid while you enjoy what you like doing. Number 6, earn cash back simply by using your credit card. Now, I'm not telling you to go out there and start buying things you don't need. I'm saying start using your credit card when you're shopping for the things that you already need, like groceries, food, and household goods. Just put it on the card and you can earn cash back, or at least 2% back. It's not much, but it'll add up over time. I made a video on how you can simply use credit cards to maximize your cash back. Check it out if you want to know more. Link is in the description. Number 7, become a referral source. For this one, you simply just have to ask people who's interested in getting more business or hiring the skilled individuals at work. For example, landscapers, roofers, contractors, real estate agents would all like to have more business. And if you go up to them and ask how much they would normally pay someone who referred them business, they'll be more than happy to give you a number. And the next time, if you're just chatting with a friend or family member and they need to buy a house or need help doing some yard work, just refer them out and secure that money without doing much work. But you do need a strong list of network and businesses that you actually trust. Number 8, have your money in high interest checking or saving accounts. There are places where you can indeed earn way more interest than your traditional banks like Chase, Bank of America, or Wells Fargo, which they'll only give you a fraction of a percent in terms of interest. Instead, there are places like Ally Bank, WealthFront, or Betterment easily giving you more than 1% annually and some even over 2% just by having your money there. This isn't much, but at least your money is catching up with the inflation rate. Number 9, put advertisements on your card. Now, if you don't mind having your card be a driving billboard and having people staring at you, then you're good to go. Companies like CARVERTISE and WRAPIFY will help you wrap your card with advertisements, and all you have to do is drive and get paid. This works extremely well if you're already driving for Lyft or Uber, or if you're just a frequent driver in general. But if you want a faster approval time to get started, then working with either Lyft or Uber will get you approved quicker. But I do want to warn you that there are a lot of scammer companies out there who will want you to pay upfront to get your car wrapped. If that's the case, you should turn around and run away from them. Number 10, invest in Fundrise. So I myself like real estate in general. I'm not sponsored by them whatsoever, and they seem to have favorable returns. Fundrise is basically an online real estate company that allows investors to invest in their private deals or their multi-million-dollar projects. You can start with as little as $500 and see returns that are between 8.7% to 12.4%. But a few things to consider are those underlying costs and the lack of liquidity. Basically, you can't just pull your money out whenever you want, like the stock market. Number 11, be a teacher and create courses. If you are an expert at something or have a passion for something, then this might be perfect for you. There are sites out there like SKILLSHARE, UDEMY, and TEACHABLE that'll allow you to create courses. And once your course is complete, it's time to share it to the world and earn that passive income while you sleep. And there you have it, 11 ways to make passive income. Hope that there was at least one thing you found to be ideal for you to start making money while you sleep. Just remember that you're not easily going to be rich off of this and not be working again. This is meant to show you what's out there, and once you get a taste of that passive income money, I hope that you'll be motivated to want more and soon be financially free. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next video if you subscribe. See you next time.